The dream of many homeowners is a beautiful in-ground pool as the centerpiece of their backyard. Many, however, don't have either the money or the space to install one, so they decide that an above-ground pool makes more sense for their budget or their property. An above-ground swimming pool provides most of the same benefits as their more expensive in-ground cousins. They're ideal for kids to splash around in. They provide a cool respite from a hot summer day. On this video, we will present you the top 5 above-ground pools on the market today. Regardless of whether you are looking for the budget option or for the best of the best, we have chosen one for each category and we'll have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what above-ground pool will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out. Now, let's get into the video. First on our list is the rectangular Ultra Frame Pool by Intex. The Intex Ultra Frame above-ground pool, a rectangular pool, is one of the most popular above-ground swimming pools. Although the price rings in a bit higher than the Intex metal frame model, this one also comes with an increase in quality, stability, durability, and longevity. If you're looking for one to last you several years to come, not just one season, we recommend the Ultra Frame Pool as the best bang for the buck. Along with a ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover, this package also comes with a more stylish and contemporary design. Even with its improved design, assembly is still relatively simple, and most people can find they handle the setup on their own without hiring an expert. The pool is available in many sizes, but even the smallest of the sizes is still spacious. If you're planning on buying this pool, make sure that you have enough space in your backyard because you will need a lot of space to construct it. On the downside, some reviewers state the ladder that is included is not very sturdy and suggest upgrading to a sturdier alternative. Also, it's crucial that the ground is completely level before assembly, which may result in extra preparation time. To summarize, the Ultra Frame above-ground pool is a budget-friendly model but with the added benefits of a more robust and durable build than that of an inflatable. Installation is still relatively simple, so you still have the option of storing your pool during off-season to prolong the life of it. Next on our list is Splash Pool's Round Above-Ground Pool. Splash Pool's Round Pool package takes things to a whole new level. If you're looking for an above-ground pool option that you plan on keeping for several years to come, this is one of the top-rated above-ground pools for overall quality. While it has many traits of an above-ground pool, we advise treating this one as a more permanent solution. This will require more preparation and assembly effort than the likes of the Intex above-ground pool option. You probably won't want to move this one around very much, if ever, once assembled. But the good news is it's sure to last a long time, so you should never have to. In addition to quality, this pool gives you the look of luxury, opposed to some of the cheaper alternatives, especially if adding an above-ground pool deck. It features strong, painted, hot-dipped galvanized steel components, an all-weather 20-gauge vinyl liner that withstands everyday use all year round, and an A-frame resin ladder with a safety barrier, a 1-horsepower sand filter with wide mouth through-the-wall skimmer, lifetime custom support, and a 35-year warranty. The downfall to this more permanent above-ground pool solution is the lack of mobility. Splash pools provide a larger and much sturdier build so that they can survive the elements and last for several years. There's no need to store them for the seasons, and it would be difficult to move locations once set, although not impossible. Additionally, splash pools will likely take days to install and be ready for swimming and may require professional assistance if you do not have help. Next on our list is Intex Metal Frame Above-Ground Pool Set. If you're in need of a sturdy, reliable solution to the summer heat, an Intex Metal Frame Pool Set might be just what you're looking for to bring outdoor fun to your family. These pools come in 4 different sizes to accommodate various needs. Each size is supported by strong metal beams, and water is held in by tough laminated PVC, so you won't have to worry so much about these pools breaking during play. These pool sets come with a filter and a pool ladder for your convenience. In my opinion, one of the best benefits of these Intex pools is the strong materials used to make them. You won't think that an above-ground pool could last for years, but these metal frame pools can take it if you have the time to keep them well maintained. During the winter months, you can either disassemble the pieces and keep them in storage, or you can place a cover over the pool and leave it set up. Either way, you should find a perfectly intact pool ready for summer once the snow melts and the days become sunnier. On the downside, some reviewers state that the pump provided is not adequate for the size and suggests upgrading the stock Intex pump. To summarize, the Intex metal frame is a great option if you're looking for a little more space and a sturdier build than the Easy Set, with the same benefits of mobility and a quick and simple installation. Next on our list is Intex Easy Set AboveGround Pool. For those that are looking for an escape from the summer heat but on a tight budget, the Intex Easy Set pool might be just the one for you. Not only are these Intex inflatable pools a low-cost option for an above-ground pool, but they are also great options for younger kids and smaller backyards. These pools are so easy to assemble that they can be quickly stored away when the season ends, which is actually recommended to prolong the pool life. On the other hand, many customers state that it's rather large to store and find it easier to toss them out at the end of each season and purchase a new one the following year because the prices of these pools are so affordable. Either way, these are the most convenient and efficient options for an above-ground pool. Additionally, these pools might be a great test option for those planning to make a larger pool purchase. It will give you an idea of the maintenance involved and to see how much use your family will make of your pool. You might find that this style suits you more than investing in a pool that will cost thousands in the end. Included with the Easy Set pool package is a 1,500-gallon filter pump, A-frame ladder and barrier, ground cloth, fitted pool cover, and a bonus 6-pack of filters. It is important that you make sure your ground is completely level before installation and your above-ground pool liner installation is done correctly. The downfalls to this pool are that they are not as sturdy and durable as the Intex metal frame and Intex Ultra frame pools. To finish our list, we have the Blue Wave Belize AboveGround Pool. One of the newest above-ground pool choices is the Blue Wave Belize AboveGround Swimming Pool. It is a 52-inch by 24-foot swimming pool package that comes with everything you need to get into water sports, pool parties, and more. The pool comes with everything you need to jump on your summer fun. It includes the pump and the sand filter system, a liner, an A-frame entry ladder, a wide-mouth skimmer, detailed instructions, the steel outer walls, as well as the metal rails and supports. All you have to do is add the water and the fun. The steel walls feature multi-layers of protection so that it can resist rusting and corrosion over many years of active use. However, even though it is a rolled steel wall around the outer diameter of your pool, it is kept reasonably lightweight to make it easy for anyone to install. The walls are not the only thing that resists damage over the years, though the metal screws are zinc-coated. The outer frame has been dipped into minerals which protect them, and even the liner is made with double-welded seams. The pump is 1 horsepower to ensure that your pool is always going to be kept reasonably clean. This should be eliminating some of the work you have to deal with. To summarize, if you're looking for a solid swimming pool, then the Blue Wave Belize seems like an all-around great choice. Most user complaints are a matter of personal opinion and minor issues, and a majority of pool owners are happy with their purchase. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. And if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, please consider to subscribe. We also do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. If we missed a product that you think is missing in this list, or you would like for us to make a review of some other products, put it in the comments section below. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not have had the chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out.